Hi everyone, if you use Redbubble to sell your print-on-demand products, then there may be occasions where you'd like to copy the tags you created for an existing design and use them for a new product. The question is, where do you find those tags? So I'm on my Redbubble page, as you can see. So I'm going to select a design like so. Now if I scroll down, there are no sign of those tags. What you need to do is simply just select your little store icon, go into Manage Portfolio. Scroll down until you find the design where you wanted to copy the tags from. In this case, I had a little typewriter design. Where you've got that cogwheel, select that, select Edit. And that now takes you to the editing page for that product, and there are our tags. Now what you can do if you want to, you can just open up just that little bit so you can see all of your tags. What I do, I simply just copy them and just paste them to a Word document, and then you've always got them on hand then, so like so. And paste those. And once you've completed that, all you do, come all the way to the bottom, select that little square and then select Save Work. And you're back to where you started. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.